Okay guys, so like all over our area we have gotten that was a big one. We've gotten severe storm watch. And it's right here. I'm gonna get inside. What? Nope. Do you hear that? And we're supposed to get severe storm watch. It's been on a warning. Look at the sky over there. It's black. Okay. If I don't, I don't know, just like text me on Discord if I'm alive. And just make sure I'm alive because this looks severe. Like, look at this. Look how dark it is outside. My parents are also on a walk, so I don't know why, but you gotta hurry up because this is scary. I mean, I'm gonna sit out here for a little bit, but do you hear that, guys? That's, here. It sounds like a plane. Oh, wow. Just look at that. It sounds like a plane through the sky. And it's moving quickly. It's right above me. Luckily, it hasn't dropped yet, but the wind's picking up. Okay, I'm gonna go inside. So, yeah. Just make sure I'm alive still because this is, I live next to a woods. And it's supposed to be 60 miles per hour winds. Okay, bye-bye.